Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the async pipe and the change detection in Angular. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Async pipe in Angular simplifies the handling of the asynchronous data streams, observables, and promises in templates. One of its key benefits is its integration with the Angular change detection mechanism, ensuring that the UI automatically updates whenever the data stream emits a new value. How change detection works with async pipe. Automatic subscription. The async pipe subscribes to the observable in the template. Whenever the observable emits a new value, Angular chain detection triggers and update the UI with the latest value. Automatic unsubscription. When the component is destroyed, the async pipe automatically unsubscribes from the observable, preventing memory leaks. Efficient updates. The async pipe ensures that the only necessary parts of the DOM are updated when the new data is emitted, optimizing the performance. Okay, let's go and just check this one. Okay, so import observable from the rxjx, and let's go to the component first. So here we have, so observable I think already there, so we don't need to import this, and this is the template for just for the post one. Here we have the product html, so let's add this posts. Okay, and then we have the post and the api call, right? So let's copy this and add it over here. Okay, so we have to fix this one with the add undefined to the property or with this. Okay, let's understand what exactly we have done. Okay, so posts observable. So this is basically the observable. This observable represents the HTTP GET request, and the async pipe subscribes to the posts and updates the template as soon as the HTTP request completes and emits the data. Chain detection. The async pipe integrates with Angular chain detection to automatically update the template when the data is received. No need manual subscription or calls to chain detection refer. Cleanup. When the component is destroyed, the async pipe unsubscribe from the post observable, ensuring no pending HTTP subscription. This is what the flow is. Okay, this is very simple. We have post observable constructor for the dependency injection for the HTTP client call, and here we are calling the API of the just a placeholder post API. Okay, when there is a ng on in it. Okay, and let's go and just check. Let's run the project ng serve, and here we go with our URL. Let's open the link and we go with our products. So here you can see that it renders, right? And here we have the template with async pipe. Okay, so this is how it works. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.